बकचोदी चलनी चाहिए, एक मस्ती मजाक चलते रहना चाहिए. I didn't know Sudhir bhai. I thought he was a very serious man, but the more I got to know him, I'm like, he's a chilla, he's a loda.
3 things one should never do on a date.
I think burp in front of your date.
लड़का डकारू हो, उसको आती हो, उसको एसिडिटी हो, कुछ हो.
Boy, bye.
तो यार मतलब ये क्या बात है यार?
Yeah.
डरपोक हो तुम.
Hey, I'm
Okay.
just
Measure, nice.
Funniest, weirdest news headline that you've read about yourself.
I have children stashed away somewhere.
A moment or phase in your life जब आपको realize हुआ कि mental health कितनी important है.
I think in COVID, I was shook. I really struggled in COVID.
The first 68 days of COVID, I didn't see a human face.
Every time you go and meet your parents, you realize, arey, they've gotten slightly more older.
It's the hardest
So,
thing to watch your parents age.
It's so difficult.
Hi, this is Pari.
Hi Pari, how are you?
I'm
Sabi.
Yuva and I'm here to get friendly with Saqib and Sabah. Hi guys.
Hi Pari, how are you?
Good, how are you both?
Very
Excellent.
good, yeah, excellent. All charged up for this game.
Excellent.
Excited?
You're the first one who's come with a game, so we're very
Yeah,
excited.
we're on, man. We're on.
Okay, so this is It's All Friendly. Okay.
Okay.
And बहुत सारे categories हैं. हर एक category में there are multiple questions and each of these questions has a point. So you will be competing against each other.
Oh, wow.
Whoa.
All right.
Like
and
what kind of questions? Like general knowledge questions
No,
about?
no, no, no. It's
No, then it's
questions
fine.
about you,
Personal.
about your work, about your life.
But how do
Understood.
you give us the points?
जो आपने चिट पिक की
उतने
वो
point
point
है.
आपको
अच्छा,
मिलेंगे.
ठीक है.
Oh,
And your
Arch.
objective is obviously to score the maximum
To win.
points. Okay, so team A, team
Yes,
B. That's how
understood.
we go. So Sabah, you start first.
Okay.
You can pick any.
I can pick any. Mental health.
Oh.
Which one?
6.
पहली बार किसी ने 8 सबसे पहले पिक नहीं किया.
Safety.
Of course,
I want to
हाँ.
see like कितना
कितना क्या
difficult.
level क्या है?
Yeah.
Okay, what is one small thing you do in a day that always brings you joy or keeps your mental health in check?
I think I definitely need to work out every day, and that centers me, and maybe a little bit of meditation. Yeah.
Okay, 6 points.
अरे
It's
मिल
as
गया
simple
ऐसे
as that.
तो बहुत
मतलब
आसान
ये
है.
तो बस जवाब देने के पॉइंट मिल रहे हैं ना.
Oh, then I
हम
should
तो
have
8
picked
से
8.
फैमिली फ्रेंड्स नंबर 8.
I should have picked 8.
Saqib, what is the most special thing you've done for your parents?
Aw.
When I did a film that I made the most money on at that point, our family had never done an international holiday. And so I spent all that money on taking my parents out for an international holiday. We went to Turkey. And that's where I had my first drink with my father. So yeah, it was a very, very big thing for me. And my parents had a great time. We still talk about that trip a lot. So
Yes, so sweet.
not that money is a big thing, but just the fact that I could take my parents, not that they didn't have the money, but just the joy of doing it for somebody who's always done things for you in life is incomparable.
That is super sweet. I think you should get 2 extra points for that.
10!
Yeah.
That's
He
number!
deserves 2 extra points for that.
But that's very
sweet.
sweet,
Thank
Saqib.
you.
And I think बहुत relatable है because as we grow up, I think ये चीजें हमारे लिए important हो जाती है कि हम अपने parents के लिए क्या कर सकते
No,
हैं.
I look for like even if I can go to Delhi, spend half an evening with them. I don't mind doing that because every time you go and meet your parents, you realize, अरे they've gotten slightly more older. अरे now इसकी back में और दर्द हो रहा है mom की, dad की नी और ऐसी हो गई है.
It's the hardest
So,
thing to watch your parents age.
It's so difficult and to see, अरे my dad's not the strongest anymore. It's so
Yeah,
all the
it's
time I
all
can
safe.
get with my parents. There's nothing comparable to that.
Yeah. Thank you for sharing
Can I get
that,
12 for it
Saqib.
now?
I think we can add a few more points, no?
8 points. But thank you so much for making that so sweet. Okay, back to you, Sabah.
Yes. Let's do love and dating 8.
ओहो अब तुम भी
बड़े guts आ गए हैं.
guts आ गए
बड़े
guts आ
guts
गए.
आ गए.
Confidence. Okay. Very interesting. According to you, 3 things one should never do on a date.
Never do on a date. Not offer to pay. You should definitely offer to pay.
Okay. मतलब split की मैं पूरा.
No, either way, you should
Acha.
definitely either offer to split or offer to pay the whole bill.
Okay.
But 100% offer to pay. I think burp in front of your date. And eat with your
अरे
mouth
अगर
open.
वो लड़का डकारू हो, उसको आती हो, उसको एसिडिटी हो, कुछ हो,
Boy, bye.
तो यार मतलब ये क्या बात
Boy,
हुई
bye.
यार?
Yeah.
उसको गैस हो, कुछ हो बेचारा, वो डकार भी नहीं मार पा रहा तुम्हारी.
And eat.
He can't be himself in front
Just be
of you.
quiet. Eating with your mouth open.
Eating with your mouth open.
Yes.
अब
please
खाना
don't.
भी नहीं खाने दोगे तुम.
मुंह बंद
मतलब
करके खा ले यार.
अरे यार
चप्पा
मत
चप्पा
देखो
नहीं
उधर
खाना
यार.
जरूरी है.
I think you should deduct points. This is not an 8 mark answer. Let me be very honest, huh? Let me be
Interesting, but
interesting.
You don't
तो हम
agree, but-
4 नंबर दे सकते हैं.
नहीं
इसमें.
नहीं
नहीं.
यार जितना
I'm
points
still getting it.
8. She's still
Eight.
getting
Work
8.
life 8.
Okay, Sagar is in the game. Which one? But
Any यार you choose.
oh, one memory from the sets of मुझसे friendship करोगे that you cherish the most.
I don't know if I cherish it or not, but one memory I remember that when I signed that film, I didn't have a car or anything, and we were shooting in Mud Island, and my dad felt like अरे मेरा बेटा हीरो बन गया है, तो मुझे उसको एक गाड़ी दिलानी चाहिए. मुझे उस फिल्म करने के कुछ 5 लाख रुपए मिले थे, तो उसमें तो कोई गाड़ी आ नहीं रही थी
You and
क्योंकि
me
वो
both.
सारे
We got the same.
या 5 लाख एक साथ तो मिलते नहीं है ना. 80,000 रुपए की किस्त आती है, फिर एक और
हाँ.
ट्रांच आती है. So it's
14
not like
साल
I
पहले
could
we were very
afford.
excited by 5 lakhs.
Oh, it was a
Yeah, we were
lot
very
of money,
excited by
bro.
it.
5 lakhs. So I
Like-
felt so rich. I'd never felt
We
so
were
rich
like,
in my
this is
life.
amazing.
हाँ, मेरे बैंक में 3.5-4 लाख रुपए पड़े हैं यार. क्या बात है? So my dad got me a car, and he said, "I will pay the down payment. You pay the installment." I'm like, okay. So in getting the delivery of the car, I was so excited that I had a 6 o'clock shoot in Mud Island, and I got the delivery of the car at 5 o'clock. So in just trying to reach the set, I got half an hour late. I was schooled by my director. Not only me, so it was me, Nishant, and Prabal, the other
Hanji.
male co-actors with me in the film. We were all, so when you're doing your first film, everybody is very excited for you. All your
Yeah.
so they were very excited. I was getting, so they also came with me to get the car, and we all three turned up late for on set. And Nupur Asthana, a lovely director who really, really is adorable to me and really, really close to me, she schooled us. She schooled us real bad. I don't know if I cherish it or why am I telling this story, but it just
know.
stayed with
Good,
me.
yeah.
Maybe it set the tone. For
And
later.
also the fact that that whole Symbiosis Lovely campus
Oh,
was
Simbi was so much fun. It was very hot,
outstanding.
but we had so much fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Yeah.
those two things.
Fun memory and a special one, of course. Thank you. 8 points to
To Gryffindor.
Sagar.
Yeah.
To Gryffindor, baby. Come on.
Okay, Sama, back to you.
I'll do work life 8 with the
Now,
bottommost one.
छह लो ना. You
Bottommost
start.
one.
ये वाला?
6 लो, तुम्हें
I
6
really
अच्छे
thought
लग
they'd
रहे.
be dangerous questions, yeah.
डरपोक हो तुम.
No, I'm
Okay.
just measured.
Measure, nice.
Measured.
Sabah, who has been your biggest support in the industry?
अरे don't take my
Within
name
the
and all. ना.
within
Don't
the
take my
industry,
Huh.
one off. I'll say one off because there've been many people
Hmm.
who I can pick up the phone and talk. I think Nikhil Taneja has actually been a rock. Every
Oh.
time, like I've had, crisis of reason, and I've spoken to Nico whether it's on message or on phone. He's always given me very sound advice. He's been a very good listener. So I really appreciate his friendship. It's now 14 years old. Yeah.
That's so sweet.
इसको तो देने ही पड़ेंगे ना तुम्हें नंबर. निखिल तनेजा का नाम ले रही है, युवा नंबर नहीं देगा तो कैसे
It's true.
चलेगा? ये तो सब ये जुगाड़ हो रहे हैं यहाँ पर. हेलो, नंबर लेने के लिए जुगाड़ हो रहे हैं.
You see how I'm giving him extra points and he's like, ऐसे point ले लो.
Sakib is like partiality
No.
हो रही है.
पार्शियलिटी हो रही है. मैं जाऊंगा
8 points to Sabah.
8 मेंटल हेल्थ.
A moment or phase in your life जब आपको realize हुआ कि mental health कितनी important है.
I think in COVID,
सही जवाब.
I was shook. I was, and I'll be very honest, okay? And people might just take this out of context, but maybe before COVID, a slight bit of non-believer in mental health because I was not educated about it enough. And I think what COVID did to me made me realize that it is very, very important. It's even more important than your physical health. Your mental well-being is very important.
I think for most of us that
Yeah,
was the
just-
time जब हमने
It really shook me that time because before that, I come from Delhi, where you don't talk about these things, where in society you don't talk about these things. और अगर किसी को होती भी है तो लोग छुपाते हैं इस बात को, वो बताते नहीं है कि अरे he is suffering from something, because of course there's a stigma attached to it. People now, hopefully a lot more people are talking about it, but I came from that environment, so I was never really in rooms where we were talking about these things. So these were things that I would hear somebody else talk about, but not really get into a conversation. But I think COVID really changed things for me. I really saw the other side, and I struggled, because I really struggled in COVID. So yeah.
Thank you for sharing.
Thank you, Saqib. 8 points for that to Saqib.
To Gryffindor. I'm Gryffindor, you're Ravenclaw. Or you Slytherin.
Are you mad? Not
Snape
Slytherin.
is Slytherin, yeah.
I'm not
I love
Slytherin.
Snape. No.
I'm not Slytherin.
Okay, Sabha, back to you.
Work life.
Work life.
अच्छा वो तो मेरा ही आर्ट, वो बाद में लूंगा.
Okay. What is the funniest, weirdest news headline that you've read about yourself?
About myself,
हाँ.
that I have children stashed away somewhere. Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
क्या थी headline?
That I have
कहाँ है?
that I had a
कहाँ है
child somewhere.
बच्चे? कहाँ छुपा के
मुझे
रखा है
भी नहीं
तुमने?
पता यार.
टिन्नू आए साथ
I
आए
have
टिन्नू.
children stashed away somewhere. Yes, it was delightful, and my friends and I had a big laugh about it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Why did you say Tinnu, by the way?
I don't know. I'm
I
guessing
think,
he thinks I
she-
would name my child Tinnu.
Tinnu.
Of
Why-
course.
when he
टिन्नू की
looks at
मम्मी,
me-
of course
When
टिन्नू
he
की
looks at me,
मम्मी.
he thinks that I would name my child
Tinnu.
Tinnu, guys.
टिन्नू. It's such a Delhi name. You're from Delhi.
Of course, I'm from Tinnu land.
But what is your nickname?
Oh,
My nickname. He calls me Sabji.
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 I call him Salima.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay.
But my no, I can't tell you.
8 points to Sabha.
4
and
crime beat.
Crime beat. चलो.
अरे ये वाला नहीं, अरे अब
कौन सा
उठा
बोलो ना?
चलो अब कर दिया.
Oh, okay. Now you got it.
Okay. One professional and personal thing that you've learned from Sudhir Mishra.
One professional thing. That
And-
always be present. Always believe in the magic. Always be present. Something will come of it. And what is the other part of the question? Personal.
हाँ, एक personal चीज, एक professional चीज.
कि कुछ भी हो लाइफ में बकचोदी चलनी चाहिए. लाइक मस्ती मजाक चलते रहना चाहिए, हंसते रहने चाहिए लोग, एक सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर होना चाहिए आपका लाइफ में. Like I thought, I didn't know Sudhir bhai. I thought he was a very serious man. But the more I got to know him, he's a chilla. He's a loda.
He's a
अरे ये
chilla.
तो करते हैं, बक करते हैं, तो मजा आता है उनके साथ. So these are two
Wow.
things.
Actually, मुझे भी उनको देख के ऐसा लगता है कि I have to be very
अरे यार,
He's a
Saket,
legend.
serious in front.
Saket,
Yeah.
I have written a
Legend,
show.
so
It's
like-
for you, यार. Come. You know, मैं तो इंडस्ट्री का चाचा हूँ यार. मैं तो सबको देखा है. Like I'm like सुधीर भाई कैसे करते हो ये?
Oh, lovely. Thank you. 4 points to you,
Thank you.
Saqib. Okay, Sabha, we coming back to you.
I will do Friends and Family 6.
बस जीतने के लिए कुछ भी करेगी ना. क्राइम बीट के बारे में बात ही नहीं
Who
करनी
started
है.
with 8? Huh?
Okay, this is very sweet. What is the most meaningful thing a friend has done to support you during a tough time?
I think it's just, everyone goes through phases in life. Just having people to talk to where you can bare your soul and to be able to do that without judgment. My best friend lives in Calcutta. And of course, through COVID, we couldn't see each other. And, but there wasn't a time that she wasn't available for me during that time. I was completely alone during COVID. I stayed alone, I was living alone. And for about the first 68 days of COVID, I didn't see a human face. So it was
Whoa.
like being in Vipassana, but for a very long Vipassana. And my building wasn't allowing vegetables to come, but they would put it in the lift and it would come up, and I live on the top floor and nobody else was living there because my one neighbor had left the country. So I was completely alone. And I remember she was my family through it all because she would be there 100%. She'd pick up my calls, whether it was late at night, early in the morning. She was there for me. Wow, I think she's my soulmate. Yeah, and I know, we say we have the one soulmate, but I think you have many, and she's definitely one of mine. And yeah.
Thank you, Sabha, for that. 8 points to Sabha. Okay, Saqib, back to
क्राइम
you.
बीट 4.
Crime beat. अब बोल दो कौन सा वाला.
बीच वाला.
Okay. अच्छा, was there a scene इस show में जहाँ पर you felt challenged as an actor? A scene that maybe you will
I feel
always,
challenged in every scene.
or maybe a scene that you will remember.
Lots of
From
it.
the show.
I feel like what was also challenging for me was that I was working with a great ensemble of actors, and everybody came with their own process and their own style, and with me trying to merge all the worlds together because I'm the one who's going and meeting the cops, going meeting the gangster, coming back to my journalism place, my newspaper. So I just felt like just to getting to work with so many people is something that is a big takeaway for me from this show.
Okay, thank you. Sabha, back to you.
The 6 on Love and
Arey
Dating.
yaar, come to Crime Beat, na sis.
Come
Love
to
and
cry.
Okay. What is the most romantic or thoughtful gesture someone has ever done to make you feel special?
Somebody organized a whole day of all my favorite things. We did a picnic and we did dance class, we did yoga class, we did a music class, and it was my birthday. And the whole day was just filled with, it was my perfect day. And yeah, so they organized it really well, and I was just the happiest person at the end of the day. Because that's all I want to do in my life, guys, classes.
Classes?
Yeah,
Sweet.
yeah.
Yeah, but do you think कि जो small gestures होते हैं वो सबसे ज़्यादा
Yes.
special gestures
Of
होते हैं?
Yes,
course,
and
who
I think
wants the big
turning
things,
towards
yeah.
each other is a big gesture, although it seems small. Even in moments of just calling out someone's name, just being there, when you turn towards somebody and you give them your attention, you give them your curiosity and your interest, there's nothing more valuable than that and more respectful than that.
Thank you so much, Sabha. 6 points to Sabha. Okay, and Shakib, we'll end
Slytherin.
with you. ये round भी end खत्म हो जाएगा because we started with Sabha. So it's the finale question. You
8.
pick.
Of course,
आपको
it's
थोड़ा है ना 2 पॉइंट ज्यादा दिए मैंने से मुझे लगा था ये आएगी बट ये तो
Okay.
जीतने के लिए खेलती है.
Acha.
Okay, what would you do differently if you were an actor starting out today?
Oh, that's such a great
wow.
question. Wow.
I'd really believe in myself. I
Well
think
said.
when you start out, when you're absolutely raw, when you just come into the city, you're just filled with so much positivity and attitude, and while you go along the way, people take that away from you, piece by piece, and you start feeling very vulnerable or very unsure of your decisions. I would like to go back to that time and tell my younger self again that don't be scared. Just believe in yourself and nobody else. Don't believe ki, arey, that person will give me this or that person will do this for me. Always believe that you're going to do it for yourself. I did, for the first 3-4 years at least, rely on a lot of other people just to figure out things for me. And one day it came all crashing down. I'm like, nahi, koi nahi karega mere liye. मैं ही करूँगा मेरे लिए. So I just like to, when I restart, I would like to start with that belief and not change it. And be like, यही करूँगा और खुद ही करूँगा. And I felt like I left my hustle for other people for the first 3-4 years. Because you given managers, you given an entourage that is going to take care of you. So you're like, oh, they'll figure it out and tell me. But no, you have to figure it out for yourself. Your hustle never stops. You have to believe in yourself, and everybody out there will tell you, put a small little doubt in your head about something that you're doing. But your conviction shouldn't shake.
Yeah.
That's what I believe in. That's what I
Correct.
do. And maybe hire a publicist.
Early on?
Because that's the norm now, right? You before you come into the industry, there
हाँ,
is
मतलब
like these packages that are sent out to people. You're like, हाँ, यहाँ भी theater visit, ये मंदिर, ये इधर. like before their film is out,
yeah.
they're on magazine covers, this, that, and the other.
Correct.
And I had no clue about these things. I had my first
You and me
magazine
both,
cover
buddy.
2-3 years after my first film. So yeah, maybe hire a publicist, yeah. And maybe restart with that again.
Believe. Yeah. Thank you so much,
Absolute
Sakib. 8
pleasure.
points
So
to you.
much.
And with this, we
I
have
have
come
won,
to the
guys.
end. And
Victory
we are
हमारी
now
है.
going to find out कि It's All Friendly का winner कौन है.
I won.
Sabha
just
with
took the four answers. Na, you wanted
You're
to
being
win.
sweet.
I played
You're
to
being
participate in.
He was
whatever.
he was making it a sweet fight. He wasn't making
So
it.
Sabha
Can we
with
answer the
40
two other crime beat
No,
questions?
answer all the questions.
answer all the questions.
Can you answer crime
Yeah.
beat it, please?
Okay, चलो
Yeah.
ठीक है. But ये points add हो रहे हैं फिर?
नहीं
दोनों के
हम
साथ?
सबको दे दो
सबको
points.
ये बांटेंगे हम.
अच्छा ठीक है. कोई भी एक memorable moment बताओ from working on this show that you think you will remember and you will cherish.
I think just riding, I was riding a bike in the dead cold of winter in Delhi with Saqib sitting behind me, all around India Gate and Constitution Club and Rashtrapati Bhavan and back and forth
Wow.
again and again and again. I think I loved it. Being in my city
Ask me.
with my
Ask
friend
me. I was
who's
petrified.
risking his life by sitting behind me on the motorcycle. I loved it.
और दिल्ली में लोग ना मतलब गाड़ी चलाते नहीं है,
हाँ.
डराते हैं दूसरी गाड़ी को
Yeah,
यार.
they're
I'm like क्या कर रहे हो, मैं मर जाऊंगा भाई. Buses निकल रही हैं.
Buses are zooming past us
And
and
Sabha is
like-
in the middle of the lane at 20.
you know,
साइकिल
let me
क्रॉस
show
करके
you.
जा रही है, हमें सवा एक ही स्पीड में चल रही है. सवा हिल ही नहीं रही है.
The whole time he's like, "You got this, you got this," and I'm like, "Yeah, I got this."
No, it was a question. You got this? It was a question. You didn't get it.
How
It is
amazing
true.
that it's important to have fun.
Yeah.
So I think.
Yeah.
And for you, Saqib, एक dialogue बताओ इस show से that you loved and that resonated with you the most.
कि सबका सही और गलत बहुत अलग अलग होता है. And when I can I take credit for it? This wasn't the line in the show.
Really?
And there was some other line, I'm forgetting what the line was. And I said this line, and to give credit to Sanjeev, as soon as he heard it, he's like, ये line अच्छी है, ये line अच्छी है, ये
Listen,
use करेंगे.
Sanjeev was very good like that. Like,
ये बहुत अच्छा है, ये करो, ये करो, ये करो.
I'm always changing lines, and he'd happily be like, "Yes, yes, we'll do it, we'll do it."
Thank you so much. And the winner is
Still
TA
Sabha.
Sabha.
Well done, Sabha. Sabji.
I never win anything. That's
सब क्या मिल
amazing.
क्या रहा है जीतने पे?
Except chess.
प्यार
Chess.
हमारा बहुत
बस
सारी good
बस
wishes.
बस ये देखो आए हैं बड़े युवा वाले. कुछ नहीं है इन युवा वालों के पास.
Sabha winning speech.
Winning speech.
हाँ.
Please watch our show Crime Beat on 21st of February.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank
this
you,
was so
Baba.
much
Thank
fun.
Thank you
And
so
wish
much
you
fun.
all the best.
Thank you so
and
much.
See you very soon now.
Yes.
Yes.
Again.
Yes,
Thank
please.
You.
Hello, this is Saqib Sali.
Hello, this is Sabha Azad.
And you're watching us on
You are.
Keep Watching. And our show releases on the 21st of Feb. It's called
Crime Beat, and you can watch it on.
Z5.
Correct.
Bye. Take care.